I'm back everyone, Mr. Dons is here. Today I will be doing another do's and don'ts series, but I think I ate too much lunch this today, so I need to go to my restaurant. Goodbye. I'm back again everyone, after several hours in the washroom, but I still doesn't feel well.
We heard that you're having a hard time with constipation. Would you like an advice from a digestion wizard?
Yes.
Mission: we need to find some food heroes to fight constipation and save the day. Behold, the League of Digestive Justice. High-fiber foods to the rescue. They add bulk to your stool and keep your bowels moving like a well-oiled machine. Stay hydrated and drink water like it's a secret weapon against the villains of constipation. Magnesium warriors unite! With their relaxing powers, they will defeat the enemy by keeping your intestine working and your stool moving swiftly.
Banana is good. That's disgusting. It's so hard to eat healthy these days, especially with all of this. It's not even delicious. Can I just have a cake or something?
Fear not, brave warrior. We have a solution that will bring joy to your taste buds and relieve your bowels. Prepare for an epic finale. Introducing Psyllium Husk, the magical potion that turns constipation battles into smooth sailing adventures. Say goodbye to tummy troubles with Atomy's Psyllium Husk. Just a warning, brave warrior. Psyllium Husk swells like a balloon in water, so consume it all swiftly before it outgrows your cup. Let's prepare the potion. Pour 150 to 200 milliliters of water into a cup. Mix 1 sachet of Psyllium Husk into the water, stir, and drink it all in one gulp. Instant relief is guaranteed.
Today I learned a valuable lesson of not eating enough fiber, like these fruits and vegetables. However, I also learned that eating 1 sachet of Psyllium Husk twice a day will help you better in the washroom. So actually this product is now available on our shopping mall. Just go to the website link down below and grab yours now. And see you next time.